If you're visiting Watkins Glen in upstate New York, Eagle Cliff Falls is just a short drive away. The 0.3-mile out and back trail to get to the falls is a little ragged, but the trip is quick from the parking lot. The green space by the parking lot has BBQs, tables, and a pavilion if you're looking for somewhere to have a nice lunch. If you've ever wanted to show your kids what a playground was like when you were young, this place has you covered with a classic merry-go-round, teeter-totters, and a metal slide. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more historical tours and travel adventures.